2000 Act 228 made medical cannabis legal in Hawaii. Today, medical cannabis patients and their caregivers are still prosecuted by the state of Hawaii.
The chemists press the pills while the hippies in the hills plant the next generation, grow the next strain.
We are the hiccup in the system. We're not going to stand silent. We're going to fix this, and we're going to do whatever it takes to make these guys stop picking on medical cannabis users.
We've got those hippies in the hills and them doctor scripting pills down in the valley below. Grab your horse and your vaporizer. Come on, let's go.
Thank you. Senator, I don't intend to embarrass you, but did you send an email to my boss on October 22nd?
Hey man, is your boss? I'm not sure. I sent an email to someone I know. I don't know what his relationship is with you.
Okay, did you know, I'm talking about Mitch Roth.
Thank you for clarifying.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So you recognize State's Exhibit 311?
I do.
Okay, that was an email sent by you
Yes, it was.
to Mr. Roth.
That's correct.
You basically said, I feel so strongly about this. You said, I'm trying to understand why Mike Ruggles is facing jail time.
I can read that also. I read it also. That's what I said. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Is Damervilli working at your request?
Thought I spelled your name correctly, and yes, I did ask that question.
Isn't it true that you said you feel so strongly about this, that is, the possibility that Mr. Ruggles may be facing jail time? I feel so strongly about this, Mitch. If Mike goes to jail, I will be screaming about it at every opportunity and more.
Yes, and I will be.
Okay, and what's the more?
I don't.
You have,
I find
as a state senator, you have input as to state funding for various organizations, is that right?
You might say that.
Is that an inference to that there may be some adverse consequences to the funding of the law enforcement and prosecuting attorneys?
Absolutely not.
Okay, thank you.
We interrupt this testimony for a public service message. Is this prosecutor worried about the budget? Really? In 2014, Hawaii News Now ran a story quoting criminal defense attorney Miles Breimer. Quote, the prosecutor's office and police department, all get matching funds to enforce federal drug laws, end quote. Add administrative forfeiture to the equation. Hawaii County Police Department and the prosecutor's office can seize up to $100,000 of personal property without judicial involvement if criminal activity is suspected. Medical cannabis patients have been extorted since the year 2000. This is so lucrative. The Hawaii County budget anticipates $5 million a year in administrative forfeiture of Hawaii residents. This is legalized extortion.
I've got those hippies in the hills and them doctor scripting pills down in the valley below. Grab your horse and your flask and your vaporizer. Come on, let's go.